Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting unboxing. Drum roll. It's the Cartier Love Paved ring. I'm very thankful to have this because my dad got it for me for Valentine's Day. So I finally got it because I ordered it. They didn't have one in stock that was new. So let's get to the unboxing. First, let me peel open the sticker. So first off, there's a stack of receipts and whatnot. This doesn't really matter. There's the certificate. Of my ring. And now, here's the most exciting part. Whoops. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and wear it. That is so pretty. So the whole entire thing is paved. And it's just diamonds. So yeah, that is my quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos or hauls or self-help tutorials soon. Thank you.